Meiji. I saw this bag on my wife's like bags, and then she's like, "Oh, one of her friends gave it to her, one of her teacher's friends." So, um, so I didn't eat it yet. Okay, just open it. I just saw it like this. So I'll eat with my wife later. Okay, but before I do that, like, this is the coffee. Like I add a little bit of my instant coffee inside, make it stronger. So I drink coffee too. This is good coffee. Outside is good, and a dollar is like this. I put a little more coffee into it. It's good, very good. Both the teachers' coffee and the students' bakery coffee, both are famous for a paper cake. They're both very nice. Okay, so without the teacher, there's no students. Okay, and also the students' place is very comfortable sitting down too, and also I want to try to see like the teachers like bakery too. So because I went there before, because my wife always sent me to buy the paper cake for her in the past, and I bought many paper cake for others in the past too from this place. It's the teacher's place, but I didn't know that the student opened a bakery across the teacher's bakery. So I say, are they compete? Are they competing with one another? Anyway, that's not the point. The point is both are good place to eat. Okay, wherever you feel comfortable, eat there. Okay. Anyway, I think you guys know where it is. Okay. Okay. Anyway, the song is I wrote out the lyrics. I just listened to my own word, and I just sing it. Okay. So let me say it in the translate. Okay. So this song is in Mandarin. Okay. So but the thing is, it's meant for everybody to listen. Okay. So it's like in 现在我们去向前走. That means like today now we're going forward, like we're walking now. 现在我们向前走. That means now we're walking forward. As you can see, my wife and walking forward, right? 我们都有个梦. We also have a dream. Who 谁是我们的好朋友？谁是我们的好朋友？ That's the question. So who is our good friends? 谁也有个梦? Who also had a dream? Who also had a dream? 谁是也有个梦? Okay. 讲讲你朋友. Okay. That means 讲你朋友. Then what's that mean? Talk logic, my friends. Speak logic, my friends. Okay. So 講你朋友. Okay. 谁是我們的真朋友? Who is our real friends? 你我都有個夢. You and I also have a dream. Okay. You and I also have dream. Had dream. Okay. Had a dream or dream. 你說你是好朋友. You say you are good friends. Okay. You say you are a good friend. 你說你是好朋友. Okay. 你說你是好朋友. Okay. You say you are a good friend. 我就聽你說. Then I will listen to what you say. Okay. It makes sense, right? Because if you're not friends, you will not listen to each other. Okay. So we're friends, listen to each other. So 你說你是好朋友，我就聽你說. Okay. 你說你是好朋友，我就聽你說. You say you are a good friend, then I listen to you. Okay. 講你. Okay. So from now, 講你 from logic to become you. Okay. Talk you. Okay. Speaking you, like 講你. You can say either way. Okay. You can either put it back the logic inside, or you can say 你. It's also good. Okay. 講你 or see, I put parentheses on both sides. Say speak you, my friends. Speak you, my friends, or speak logic, my friends. 谁是我们的朋友? Who's our friends? Okay. 誰是我們的朋友？一起去食個飯. Let us go out, eat a lunch, or eat breakfast, or eat dinner together. Okay. That's just go out have lunch together. 誰是誰的真朋友? Who is whose real friends？說話也要真，說話也要真。誰是誰的真朋友？Who is whose friend? Who is whose real friend? And 說話也要真。說話也要真。That means when you speak, you have to be honest. Okay? 講你朋友，說你朋友，說你朋友。That means speak logic, my friends. Talk logic or speak logic, interversal. Okay? So that's the song. Okay? So let's try again. Okay? Okay. 现在我们向前走，我们都有个梦。谁是我们的好朋友？谁也有个梦。当你朋友，当你朋友。Speak logic, my friend. Speak logic. 谁是我们的真朋友？你我也有个梦。你说你是好朋友，我就听你说，当你朋友，当你朋友，谁是我们的朋友？一起去吃个饭。谁是谁的真朋友？说话也要真。当你朋友，当你朋友。现在我们向前走，我们都有个梦。谁是我们的好朋友？谁也有个梦。当你朋友，当你朋友。谁是我们的真朋友？你我有个梦。你说你是好朋友，你说话说清楚，或者你说话我就你说话我说 OK， 谁是你的好朋友？我就听你说，谁是当你朋友 ？Still working, OK？ 当你朋友。谁是我们的好朋友？一起去吃個飯，好嗎？誰是我們的真朋友？或者或者點心點心都可以去喝茶。OK， 誰是誰的真朋友？說話也要真。當你朋友，當你朋友。誰是我們的？現在我們向前走，我們都有個夢。誰是我們的好朋友？誰也有個夢。當你朋友，當你朋友。誰是我們的真朋友？你我都有個夢。你說你是好朋友，我就聽你說，當你朋友，當你朋友。誰是我們的好朋友？一起去吃個飯，一起去喝茶。誰是我們的真朋友？說話也要真。講你道理，講你道理。I change the word now， 就講你道理。講你I change it a little bit, as you can see. 講你朋友 I change it now. So I change it to like this way. I change it to like 講你 OK, one more time. 言字旁講講你道理 OK, 呢個道字睇下 OK， 到 OK， 到你，OK， 你條王知打個你啊！จากนี้到你，จากนี้再講你，OK 寫好啲啊！但係我隻手一隻手咁樣寫唔到滯嘅，呢度因為好線啊。จากนี้朋友有話就慢慢説，จากนี้到你，จากนี้朋友有話就慢慢。我們這冇時間，I'll check correct the word，OK？ 慢慢說，好慢。飲啖茶，入個包，慢慢講，OK？OK， 未寫完，OK？ 想就still under developing，OK？ Still developing。